Okay, vandag saam met een van ons gunsteling kunstenaars, nuwe kunstenaars, jy sal waar hy dit hè, nee? Keith, baie dankie, gunsteling. Maar voordat ons nou kan gesels, moet hy eers vir ons musiek maak. Keith, the mic and the floor is yours.
Dankie Pieter. Dankie Pieter. Appreciate it. Goeiemorgen, good morning. Welcome to it. My naam is Keith Chilunga and we're ready to go. Yes. Goeiemorgen, good morning. Goeiemorgen, good morning. A is vir aardappel, B is vir papotie, C is vir chakalaka, D is vir droërwors, E is vir eiers, F is vir flamingo, maar G is vir jou, want jy is my gunsteling. Jy is my gunsteling. Jy is my gunsteling. Jy is my gunsteling. G is vir jou, want jy is my gunsteling. We go A is vir aardappel, B is vir papotie, C is vir chakalaka, D is vir doorwors, E is vir eiers, F is vir flamingo, maar G is vir jou, want jy is my gunsteling. Pieter, jy is my gunsteling. Jy is my gunsteling. Jy is my gunsteling. G is vir jou, want jy is my gunsteling.
Hier raak het lekker. Keith Chilunga!
Thank you.
G is vir goeiemorgen, good morning, ons gunsteling.
100%.
My vriend, lekker music, man.
Thank you.
Fabulous. I mean, you're also on TikTok.
Yes.
As well. There's a lot of humor in the music.
Yes.
Why is that important for you?
My background is comedy. I mean, I come from a comedy background. And even if you do come to my personal shows, you'll see I do a mix of stand-up and music. So, yeah, it's very important to me.
Was the stand-up first and then the music? Or was it always a thing that you did together?
I think I would say that comedy came first, yes, 100%. And then the music came shortly after that.
So, listen, tell me about, have any of the students, what do you do for a living? Is this all that you do?
I do this. I also work in terms of film and whatnot, content creation. Yeah. That's what I do.
And you obviously have a lot of students following you and yes, people enjoying you, and then you help them with the Afrikaans as well.
I try to, because I think we're helping each other, because I'm learning as well and getting better at my Afrikaans. So in the exchange, I help them as well.
So dis net vir my baie lekker. Dis nie teenstaan die feit dat ons nou Engels gesels as jy eintlik af. Nee man, ek gaan. Listen, so has Mrs. Du Plessis heard any of your songs yet? Who is Mrs. Du Plessis or Miss Du Plessis?
Ironically, it was my maths teacher.
Yeah.
So she doesn't know it's about her till this day. But back in school, I did make it known to her that, hey, listen, if I had an opportunity, ma'am, you would be the one.
And then the Afrikaans teacher, you did a little bit of maths together with the Afrikaans teacher, and then the song came about. Yeah,
the idea was from Mevrouw Du Plessis was from originally my maths teacher, but my Afrikaans teacher was actually Mrs. Van der Merwe.
Oh.
But it didn't really rhyme well or make sense in the song, so I had to give her, a new name.
Yeah. Listen, and obviously you have mastered some of the most trickiest parts of Afrikaans as well. Is daar vir jou baie uitdagings wat Afrikaans aanbetref, of kom dit maklik? Is it an easy language for you?
A bit of both. Yeah. I would say a bit maklik, but also it can be a bit tricky. Because the one thing I do suffer with is pronunciation with particular words in Afrikaans. But other than that, yes, it does come a bit maklik, yeah.
Listen, with a co-host like Elsa, even I struggle pronouncing the Afrikaans words correctly ever so often. Listen, and you also have podcasts?
Yes. I do podcasting as well. I love to host and sit and talk nonsense for a good hour or two. So yeah.
And what do you like to talk about, or do you ask your listeners to give you some subjects to talk about?
I like to talk about ordinary life, the challenges, growing up, what happened, the funny stories of our childhood, getting hidings and all sorts of things like that. Yeah.
Jy lyk dan nog so jonk, het jy nog pak slaag gekry? Waarvan praat jy?
Yeah. I think all of this does stem from just comedy and having, this urge to talk nonsense and sing nonsense stuff as well. And then it came together to produce something good.
So, is there another Afrikaans song on the horizon?
Yeah, I'm working on a few. Yeah. I'm working on a few. I want to work on a few more adult stuff as well as some kid stuff that I'm working on. Yeah.
But obviously the song that you sang this morning as well, there can be a second verse continuing from Ha-I.
There is a second verse. If you listen to the full track, there is from Ha is for Hadida.
Yeah.
And then it continues all the way to Z is for Zambak.
Oh, but you must just change the P to P is for Pieter Koen, something like that.
I will work on that.
Ja, ek sal saam met jou kom, maar maak ek net so lekker guest appearance.
Yeah.
Kan
Every
net
time I perform, you come in and then you do your thing.
That'll be lekker, my buddy. Oh boy. Where can we follow you? Where can we hear more about you?
Well, my music is available on all streaming platforms, Spotify, Apple Music, everywhere. But social media, Keith_Chuluga on all platforms.
Dis mos so ons Dinsdagoggend wil afsluit. Keith, thank you so much for the visit. Daar's hy. Nou weet jy, dis net hier die plek. G is vir gunsteling. Goeiemôre, good morning. Ons sien jou môreoggend weer. Ek hoop jy het 'n heerlike middag van ons almal. Bye.